YouTube, welcome to my channel. I'm the Pie Father and this is Tuscaloosa Plumbing. Alright, so thanks for joining my, why do I keep wanting to do that? It's not a show. It's not due to COVID-19 and our current battle and situation that we've got going on with this disease that's so awful. Most teachers like myself are being forced to use distant learning to continue to educate our students. I use the Nccer curriculum. I teach plumbing at TCTA of Tuscaloosa. The students in my class, they take module exams through the Nccer curriculum. They must pass each module exam with 70% or higher. They also are charged with taking performance profiles just to extend their knowledge and cement that knowledge in place. These tests and performance profiles are kept in a database that is hosted by Nccer. Through this registry systems, the students, upon passing module exams with 70% or higher and passing the performance profiles, their test is sent to the registry and they can go retrieve those credentials at any time. And sometimes those credentials can really mean extra pay, a boost over someone who does not have these credentials. So these credentials can be very important to a lot of contractors, a lot of employees, and even you in the future as you try to gain employment through one of these construction jobs. You as a student can join the Nccer registry now if you're under the Nccer curriculum through construction, through carpentry, welding, plumbing, electrical. Various trades are under the Nccer umbrella, and you can join today, and I'd like to show you how. Please give this a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Hit the notifications bell so you don't miss anything in the future. Alright guys, the first step is to open your web browser and go to registry.nccer.org. You'll be brought to this site right here. As you can see, there are a few tabs on the right hand side. New users, register, already have an account, you can sign in here. Let's go ahead and click register there. Alright, at this point, this is where I get a lot of the questions. Okay, it says I need an Nccer card number and I don't have one, so what do? I'm trying to enter in an Nccer card number that I simply don't have. You gotta hover over this blue link right here. I am unable to provide an Nccer card number. You'll be taken to this registration form here, and it says please provide your social security number or a system generated number. All right, these are only used to search the database to just make sure that you don't create a duplicate account. So let's go ahead and enter in a social that is non-existing. After you click in that social, you'll see right here it says the number entered was not found. Please confirm that this is correct. If incorrect, re-enter and click continue. If correct, click create new Nccer cover. And that is right here, this blue link. You gotta hover over that, click it, and again you'll get another warning saying that they don't want you to create a duplicate account, so just make sure you're not doing that. All right, here you'll see all fields are mandatory. Okay, so your email address is necessary, a phone is necessary, so let's just create that. Comment below. Activation is required. Please check your email account. I just got the ding, so I go check my email and I see it is there. Hello. There we go. Hello. Thank you for initiating your registration with the Nccer's registry system. In order to activate an account, you must click the activation link below, complete your profile, and save. At that point, you will receive an Nccer card number for future access. So we'll click that link. you must save your profile to complete your registration. Okay, so it's already got some things entered. I entered John. All red asterisks are required. You must enter your date of birth, your birth city, your country, and alternate ID. Here's another question. Okay, so this birth city thing is good because you may forget these, or I suppose you could even change some of these, but the deal is you'll remember your name, you'll remember your date of birth and your birth city. So if you ever have to retrieve this account later on, you're out of school or you're out of the construction firm you're working for now, you can go back and enter these things and be able to retrieve that data. All right, so I'm in Alabama, and you can enter your Alabama driver's license, but if you're in school and you still haven't completed that yet, you can go to your Alabama Unique Student Identifier. That is your INOW number, all schools, K through 12, so you will have this assigned to you while you're registered in school. And it seems like most of the other states have this too. We've got Student ID in Alaska. Department of Corrections, some NCCR stuff is done in Department of Corrections, so they have numbers as well. And again, you've got Arizona driver's license, you've got California driver's license, Department of Corrections again, student identification or information system. That's probably very, very similar to what we have here. So you just look through here, enter a number you have as your alternate ID number, your personal address. And remember, everything with a red asterisk is required. Country, city, state, zip, self-employed, select employer, job title. And here is the release. All right, so I hereby authorize the accredited training sponsor and or the accredited assessment center to release my training and or assessment records to NCCR. That's where you pass over 70% and on the module exams, whatever exam you're taking, and it's sent to this registry. That way, again, you can go back and look at your certifications, any and all things that you've passed. Further, I hereby authorize NCCR to rely upon this information to maintain my training assessment records in its automated national registry. I hereby release and hold harmless NCCER from any and all liability resulting from its reliance on such information provided by the accredited training sponsor and or accredited assessment center. That's going to be your school, your construction firm, or Department of Corrections, something like that. I understand and accept all conditions outlined in the click this blue link to read all of that stuff. Save, and you will then be emailed a card number. Actually, I believe it'll pop up on the next screen, and then it'll also be emailed to you as well. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it was informative. I hope more can get signed up for NCCR on the registry system and continue earning credentials. So thanks for stopping by. I know you can do it. Go ahead and register today. Get in the NCCR registry system. If you have any questions, check the description link for my email, or you can comment below, or please give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe down below, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything in the future. Later. Please give this a thumbs up and subscribe down below, hit the notifications bell so you don't miss anything in the future.